Developing now, more than a dozen people who were protesting in downtown Salt Lake City over the death of George Floyd in May of 2020 are now filing a lawsuit against the city.
Yeah, they claim their civil rights were violated. News specialist Lad Egan joined us with more on this lawsuit. Lad?
The lawsuit, which was filed on behalf of 14 Utah residents, claims that the emergency curfew ordered by Salt Lake City Mayor Aaron Mendenhall was unconstitutional.
The First Amendment is a very powerful constitutional right.
Attorney Brian Jackson, who filed the lawsuit, says the 72-hour curfew should have been a last resort and that it was signed just 20 minutes before going into place.
I think the actions of the city specifically show that they had a purpose to move people, which infringes on liberty and free speech as well.
The 27-page lawsuit says, quote, the curfew order wholly denied free speech and the right to assemble on all public places. It was not narrowly tailored with narrow objective standards required under the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution.
And here it was just so broad and overarching that it violated everyone's free speech, not only just the protesters, but everyone in the city of Salt Lake was under this curfew order.
Jackson says some of his clients were hit by rubber bullets and unlawfully arrested. During the protesting and riot on Saturday, May 30th, 2020, a police car was overturned and burned, and the state capitol had graffiti painted on it. Building windows and track station glass were broken, and 24 police officers were injured. In response to the lawsuit, a Salt Lake City spokesperson issued this statement. We believe the city's curfew and actions were proper and lawful given the nature of events on May 30 and June 1, 2020. We are confident that the mayor acted within her legal authority to issue the emergency curfew, and the Salt Lake City Police Department acted appropriately during the civil unrest. The lawsuit requests a jury trial and is seeking punitive damages. Salt Lake City has 60 days to formally respond. Back to you.